Hi everyone, I hope you had a super weekend and I hope you're ready. I hope you've got your maths heads on and you're ready to learn. So, we are moving on to shape now for the next week or so. And the first thing I want you to do is to name as many shapes as you can, because I know you've got lots of knowledge of shapes in your head. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds to name as many shapes as you can think of, okay? Ready, steady, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, time's up. That's it, time's up. I'm guessing you said things like square, circle, rectangle, triangle, and maybe even some more. Good job. But today we are learning to recognise and name some 3D shapes. Now, 3D shapes are still shapes, but all of the shapes you've named, I'm imagining, were 2D shapes. And 2D shapes are flat shapes, so they're things we can draw on a piece of paper. But 3D shapes have more than one side. Let's have a look at some of them. So the first shape we are going to learn is a cube. And a cube is a bit like a box. A cube is made up of lots of sides of squares. Here's my cube that I've drawn. I've got a cone, which has a point at the top and it's round on the bottom. I've got a sphere, and although that looks like a circle, it's a 3D shape, so that means it's got more than one side. So a circle is just like a ball. I've got a pyramid here. So a pyramid looks a little bit like a cone because it's got a pointy top as well. That's something that's similar between the two. But what's different is a pyramid also has corners. It's got 4 corners on the bottom. Next up, we've got a cuboid. Now, a cuboid looks a little bit like a cube, but it's longer. It's much longer, but it's still got lots of corners. And the last shape we are going to be looking at today is a cylinder. And a cylinder is like a long tube. It's got 2 ends. It's quite straight as it goes up. It doesn't meet at the top in a point. It goes straight up. Okay. I have drawn some of my 3D shapes down here, but I've joined them together. So I've got them a little bit connected. I want you to try and work out which shapes I've used in my drawings down here. Which of these shapes can you see? I'll run through the names again. Cube, cone, sphere, pyramid, cylinder, cuboid. You might want to just practice saying those before you do this. Let's do it again. Cube, cone, sphere, pyramid, cylinder, cuboid. So which of these shapes can you see down here? I'll let you pause the video so you can have a closer look. Okay, let's go through them, see if you got it right. Here we have got a cuboid. One of these here. It's long, it looks a little bit like a box, but it's not got squares on it. It's long. So I've got a cuboid. I've got one cuboid. What about this one here? It's not a circle, because in real life it would have more than one side. It would be a bit like a ball. That one is a sphere. A sphere. I've got one sphere. What about these over here? What do you think I've used to make those shapes? We've got a cylinder here, just like that. But you can't see the top because there's another shape covering it. And I've got a cylinder here. So I've got 2 cylinders. What shape have I used on the top? Which of my 3D shapes have I used on the top of these 2? Yes, it's a cone. Good job. Okay, I would like you to go and watch the White Rose Maths video, which is on the Maths page of the tab under Monday, and then have a go at the worksheet, and then you can come back for the plenary video and we'll see how we got on. Good luck, bye.